Hello everyone, so today I'll explain how to transfer data from your old Motorola Razr 50 to a new device. So first of all, we are to open up our Play Store. Now in our Play Store, you are to choose your search tab, and in your search tab, we are to find Send Anywhere. So type it, choose your Send Anywhere option. Here it is, press install and give it a couple seconds to be installed. Also make sure to install it on your second device because you will need it. Alright, now let's press open up this application. In here, first of all, we're to log in, so you have to agree to terms and service and acknowledge that you have read a privacy policy. So go through it, tap on those both check marks and press confirm. Now you're to give permissions and to grant access to your files. Press continue, press allow, okay, and close. Alright, now we can choose any kind of file, so you can choose different categories such as photos, videos, and more. I will choose just this photo, for example. And now when you've chosen it, now you are to press send. So here is your digit key or your QR code. Now grab your second phone. Here it is. On your second phone, you are to open up your Send Anywhere application as well. Here it is. Now choose your receive option right here. In your receive option, you're either to input key or to scan QR code. I will just input a key and press receive. Alright, if it's not working out, try to use those words together. Press receive. And it worked out now. And as you see, we've got the files from our Motorola. And basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment. Have a great day.